Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. I hope you guys are all doing well and that everything is great for you. Today we are doing Ipsy. I am super duper excited. I love getting Ipsy bags. I love getting all my subscription bags. They're so much fun. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a beauty subscription bag and it is, I believe it's $14 in the States, and it is about $20 to get it here in Canada. Not bad. I absolutely love getting it every month, and I love going through the add-ons. It's usually great prices. I never complain about the price of Ipsy. I never complain usually about what I get in the bags. Anyway, let's get into this month's bag. I'm super excited as I throw things around, you know, because that's what we do here, throw things around. I got a few add-ons today, so I will show you those first. All right, let's do this. So the first add-on item, those are the words. I'm still throwing things around, you guys. Sorry. Okay, so the first add-on item I got was the Vintage Cosmetic Company makeup removing cloths. I love these. I love the ones from the original makeup eraser and use them like crazy, and I saw these and I think I only paid like $3 for them, and it's like, oh, I have to try it. Ooh, it's pretty much the exact same thing. It's a little bit different shape. These are more square, but it's got exfoliate on one side and then just the regular on the other. Feels just as soft. I cannot wait to try these out. I love these cloths. I use them to take off my mask when I'm just washing my face. Like, I have a low sink, so I find that I'm like always making a mess, so if I like splash water on it, so I use these to just take off my cleanser, there's the words, and I love them, so I'm so excited to have them. Come with 3 in a box, and like I said, I think I only paid $4 for these, so I'm super pumped, and I love the packaging on it. All right, next item. I am so pumped. I put off buying this for like ever. It's Violet VOSS Essentials #2. Super exciting. I have the first one and I seen it. You can get it with your points, and I was like, oh, do I want to spend it on my points? And I was like, I really want this palette, and then I didn't, and it went out of stock. But then it came in for the add-ons, and I believe it was a $12 add-on. Is that right? I can't quite remember, but nonetheless, I'm super excited to add this to my collection. I love Violet VOSS. Oh my goodness, these colors are to die for. I am in love with them. Let's check out this rose gold. Oh, that is so pretty, if that would focus. Let's move on to the next add-on item I got, which it's really no shocking surprise, you know, because it's me. Of course, I grabbed some sheet masks. These are the CRÈME. One is blueberry banana, which sounds amazing, and then the other is peaches and cream. Yes, that sounds amazing too. I saw these and I was like, yep, gotta have it. They're $3. Of course, I gotta get some more add-ons, some more face masks, sheet masks, words. Where are they? Every time. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's the blueberry banana. What does this one do? This one is for, oh, the blueberry combats fine lines and wrinkles. Banana exfoliates to brighten the skin. Super exciting. And then peach rejuvenates and brightens. And then the cream, which is the milk, calms sensitive skin and corrects discolorations. Very nice. Super pumped to have these. All right, moving on to this month's actual Ipsy bag. This is it. I like the different women. I love it. The pull cord. It's like, it's giving me some serious 90s vibes. So I'm really excited. Oh, and it's like a peachy pink color. Oh, so cute. Okay. The first item I have, which is a brush. It was not in the bag because it is, well, too big for the bag. And it is a pressed powder brush from the brand F.A.R.A.H, F-A-R-A-H. It's dotted, so I guess it would be just the F-A-R-A-H. Is that how you say it? Someone let me know. If you know, let me know in the comments, please. But yes, we got this pressed powder blush. Love it. It's gorgeous packaging. Moving on to the next item. Oh, Also, they give you a, they give you a little booklet. Sometimes they don't tell you the products in there. That's why I got excited. They tell me the products in this one. And yes, the brush is just a pressed powder brush. Pressed powder brush. That's how you say it? Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's that. What's the next item? Ooh, I'm gonna show you the next item. It's the Bare Real Magnet Mascara sample. If it'll, there we go. I think it's focusing. Are you focusing? Hopefully you're focusing. I'm so excited to have this. I bought one as I, you know, drop everything. I bought this mini size one to test it out because I could not wait for this because I knew I was gonna get this, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get this one anyway. And I have been enjoying it. I'm actually wearing it today and I actually really enjoy this mascara. So I'm super excited to have another one in the sample size. What does it look like? Oh, just plain boring Jane, but that's okay. Super pumped to have it. And we'll save this for later when my other one runs out. Yay. I will show you the wand with this one though. Got an itch, my goodness. The wand is super nice, super easy to use. A little bit on the thick side, but it's not too bad. I like these ones. I don't like the hourglass ones. They're not my favorite. But super excited to have the sample of it. Alright, let's go to the next product, which I'm kind of sad because I already have, but I'm not complaining. It's still a great product. It is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in Werk. I have it. I will show you. One sec. So this is mine. This is the little sample size of it. It is a gorgeous color and I have not used it a lot or given it enough credit, but it is really, really pretty. Let's get into the next product, which is PURLISSE Matcha Green Tea and Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Sample size of that. PURLISSE is a good brand. I've tried this one before and I liked it. And I believe I have a mask from the same line, the green tea antioxidant line of theirs. I'm pretty sure there's one in my cupboard. So I'm not sad to have this. It's another great product. Now we're on to the last product. Always so sad. The end of it is just like, oh, give me more. You know what I mean? Love them. Okay, so this one is HANALEI. Hopefully that's how you say it. I'm not sure. I'm really sorry I butcher these names. I really, really am sorry. This is the Aloe Hawaiian Face Cleanser. It's made with Hawaiian botanicals. Coffee. What is coffee berry? Is that just coffee? Huh. Well, that's really cool. Excited to give this a shot. I don't think I've used a product from this. I'm probably lying. I probably have. I had so many products and tried so many new products this year. It's just been insane. Not that I'm complaining. I am so grateful for the opportunity to try products. I absolutely love everything about beauty, makeup, skincare, everything. Oh, I actually today just got my first ever box from Chick Advisor. If you don't know what that is a sampling site and you can apply to try these products. Actually, it's not even samples. They are full-size products from the companies and it's super exciting. I got the Neutrogena Hydro Boost set and I cannot wait to try that. So this one's gonna go on the back burner because I have to do a review on that one first. But nonetheless, I'm super excited to have it. Oh my goodness. But yeah, that's all the products. What did you guys think? Do you guys get Ipsy? Talk to me in the comments. What do you think of the products? Do you like them? Do you not like Ipsy? But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.